Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video, I want to show you how to make this beautiful dessert with roasted pears, walnuts, marsala, and brown sugar. Butter a baking pan. Peel the pears and cut them in half. Scoop out the cores and place them in the baking pan. Soften the butter and add the brown sugar. Cream everything together. When everything is combined, add the yolk. Add the lemon zest and mix again. Add the walnuts and continue mixing until incorporated. Stuff the pears with the filling. Add marsala all around. Bake at 350 for 45 minutes. Buen apetito!